Hello guys, so if you're wondering how to stream your Netflix on your Discord with audio, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, go to Discord, then go to settings. Now over here you have to do some settings. So scroll down and go to voice and video, click on it, then scroll down and over here just simply disable hardware acceleration over here. Just disable that, then go back. Now join a server. Now it is important that you have to stream the Netflix on your Google Chrome, so that's a very important part. Now after joining the server, what you have to do is again go to settings. Now over here just simply scroll down and click on registered game, then click on add it, then click on the Dropbox and choose Google Chrome, then click on add game. So over here what you have to do is just simply add Google Chrome as a game. So it will also register the audio in the Google Chrome, which is from Netflix. So that way you will have the visual and the audio of both. Now after that, close this. So as you can see, I already have Netflix on my Google Chrome. So all you have to do is now go to Discord. Now over here, as you can see, it is showing I am playing Google Chrome. So all you have to do is just simply click on this stream Google Chrome, then click on go live, and now the Google Chrome is live with Netflix. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.